Hi everybody, Robert here, more with the training. We continue on our last exercise. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to help me support this channel. Right now we're looking at one of our elevation views from our wall panels that we did. So what we're going to do today, we're going to work on assemblies. Done it before. We're going to see how this works in 2026. So this is what we got here. We just got to look at this in shader view. We have a wall panel. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this on wireframe so we can see what's happening here. So first thing we do, we want to select everything here. Let's take this first one. Let's just collect everything here. Yep. And we have everything. I'm going to go and control and select that as well. Wait a second. Okay. So now we have everything here, and then we might want to do a filter to make sure we don't have any foreign elements here. So I got the electrical fixture there. We might want to take that out. And I'm going to say apply, and I'm going to say okay. So when we have everything we want selected, then we go in and we'll select the assemblies tool here. So we're going to create an assembly. And we've got elements that are not in the assembly, which is that area, that little cross there. So we're going to ignore that, and we're just going to say OK. And then we're going to call this walls. So we got naming categories here. We're going to go with walls here. Starting this out with 002 because there's probably 001 there, and I'm going to say OK. Now here, I want to select here, create views. So we select here. Now we're going in, we're looking at our scale. That's the first thing you'll see here is your scale. And then all these are views that we will use. So for this, I'm going to go with, let's go to 3/8 inch scale. And then we want to go here, we want to place a sheet here. So we've got this checked for views, but we don't have a sheet. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to check the 22 by 34. And then now we've got all these different views. So we've got, let's just go with what we got, see what we can fit on the sheet for now. So I'm going to say okay here. And as you can see there, our views are coming into play. That's our first view. And then we go to our project browser here, and we want to just go and select Assemblies tab here, and we've got our views right there. So that's our plan view. Let's look at our 3D ortho view. There's our 3D view. Looks pretty good there. And there's our section view. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go grab that sheet, open that sheet up, and I'm going to drag and drop the 3D view probably here. Your company might have a standard you want to use. And then I want to go and do a section. Let's do an elevation, a front and a back elevation. So let's go with the front first. Maybe we place our front elevation here. And then we'll do our back. See, there's our front. Then we'll do our back elevation here. Because we need to see that for the connections. Do our back there. And we're going to do our top. Yeah, that top will be a detailed view. So we're going to do our top here. Now we're looking like we're missing some reinforcing there. And we'll do a bottom. Just for right now here. So we'll do a bottom here. Now it looks like I'm missing some rebar in there. So here we can handle these views just like we do the other views here. You might want to shift this over a bit. Now I'm going to leave this one there. We're going to come back and modify this one later on. Uh-oh, what's happening here? So I'm going to deactivate that view. And now here we want to go and bring in let's do a right and a left detail. So we can bring these down to the bottom here. And then we'll discern what we need and what we don't need, because we don't really need all these views, but I'm just showing them here. So let's go with the, that's the top and the bottom. That's the bottom and that's the top. Okay, and now here we want to go left and right. There's our left side. And as you can see, we got reinforcement missing there. So I'm going to show you how we fix that, but I want to do a few more, and then we'll show you how to add and delete items out of these guys. So then there's a front, a left, and a right. So that's basically what we need to show a wall panel, folks. And all this other stuff can be hidden and deleted or moved out of the view of the picture. Now here I want to use we want to do a couple of schedules here. Say, for instance, let's do our part list here. And then you want a material takeoff for because this will also give us the material as far as concrete here. So I'm going to go here and bring the material out here. Okay. There's our part list. So what's happening here, our sheet's not going to be big enough for everything, but then we're going to decide what we're going to use and what we're going to not use here. So we've got that one there. And we got a rebar schedule in here, plan schedules, part list. Okay. So I'm going to go with that one. That's going to be our first one. And we'll just shrink this down here. So let's go back into this sheet here, and then we're going to go and close these other ones out. So now we're going to take, I see we got something going on there actually. Okay, let's grab this one now. You want to select everything here. Get everything. Yep. And then we're going to go and do our filter again. Area reinforcement is 1. It should be 2 there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel this, and I'm going to do a crossing this time. See if I can pick them up. Okay, I'm going to go crossing here. And then I'm going to filter. Okay, it's only 1, so let's just pick these all up this way. I'll show you how to add it in, edit these as well. So we've got that one selected. Now here, you want to filter this again, and then, okay, let's say okay here. And we're going to do our assembly. Okay, again, and we're going to go back to our walls. And this is going to be wall 03. And we're going to say okay here. We want to create our views again. We're going to go okay. So this time we're going to cut down tremendously on the things that we need on the sheet, because we don't need all of this stuff. And again, I'm missing area reinforcing here. So this is how you would edit that. So I'm going to go into my views here, and I'm going to go to my 3D ortho view here, and I'm going to select this, and I'm going to go into my edit command here. So I'll select it. I want to edit assembly. And then I want to add something here. So I have the option to add things here. So I'm going to go back into my structure. Area reinforcing. I'm going to select it here. And I'm going to go from this corner to this corner here. If it let me. Yeah, it will. And then I'm going to go to there. I'm going to finish it. And have a look in there. And we've got it. So here, I'll hit finish. Okay, element cannot be added into the assembly. It will be added. Okay, we want that. We'll take that. Now we've got a little something going on here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just delete this out. So I'm going to come here now. We can edit this again. Let's edit this again. I'm going to edit assembly. And let's just remove this, all this reinforcing out. Remove. So go to remove here. So we take the reinforcing out. And then I'm going to go to the top of this guy, if I can. And it's clean. So now let's go back to my view. Oh, there it is right there. I'm not going to worry about that right now because I don't take too much time in this video. We'll fix that later. So I'm going to go finish. And then I'll go to my sheet again and go put in my 3D view. My front view. My back view. I'll go in and show these in wireframe and fine so we can see. So this will eliminate what we're looking at on the sheet. So there we have our connections. Same with this one. Activate this view. Make this fine and wireframe as well. So there's our front and our back. We probably wouldn't need to, we don't need both of these maybe not. And then we have our left and our right. I'll just take one. I'll just take the left side. Okay, deactivate that view. We'll take a left side here. And then we'll take the bottom. Or we can take the bottom and the top here. And there you go. That's the bottom. And just place the bottom right there like so. And I'll put the top right over it. This is so we can go in here and do our little thing detailing, but I don't know why I'm not seeing that rebar here. But we'll get that going here. So there's fine view. There's our reinforcing here. And I'm going to leave that there and go do another one here. So let's do our part list, a material takeoff here. As you can see, we show the volumes of concrete that we'll need. Should be a reinforcing schedule in here. I think I left that out. So in the next one, let's pick that one up. So there's our next sheet. So we'll go back into our elevation again. So we got some issues going on here with what I did. So I'm going to just delete this out because it wasn't placed right. And I'm going to see if I can edit it from here. So I'm going to delete the reinforcing out of this one. And it's definitely going to affect that assembly. Okay, I'm going to undo that. Sorry. Cancel that. So now if I go into my 3D view here, have a look and see what's going on here. Go to wireframe view. I should have 2 layers of reinforcing here. And I do. So I didn't pick up. Okay. So let's go and look at this next view here. Actually, we're going to get a different type of situation with our door. We don't need our door, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to select everything here, but I'm going to do a crossing this time. And I'm going to add this and these plates down here. And I'm going to create my views, create my assembly. Okay here. This is going to be walls. I'm going to ignore that command because I know it's not going to pick up the, oh, that might have been the reason why. So I'm going to go and create my views here. And I'm going to add my rebar schedule on this one. And I'm going to go OK. Oh, didn't change my scale. And see what happened. We're not getting that rebar, so I'm going to leave it there, folks, until I can go back and figure out why I'm not picking up the schedule here. But then we can number these as well, so I can go to my tags, and I want to tag by category. Just go with, I don't want leaders. Okay. Nope. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it there, folks. I got a little issue going on with these assemblies, but we kind of got it. We got a good way of knowing how it starts out. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. But anyway, this is how you create assemblies and sheets and views. And then again, so there's our number 1 sheet. And there's our second sheet. Probably going to name the sheet in cohesive with the drawing. And then I'm going to go down here and look at our rebar schedule. And look, so I'm going to move on with this, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Y'all take care now.